And welcome to IRS Payroll Tax Form Update 2018. So first, let's talk about what we're going to review today. So first, we're going to talk about the quarterly 941 form, form reporting requirements, have a review of deadlines and penalties, and we'll review some important points to consider. Not a whole lot of changes on the Form 941 this year, except for our normal yearly changes, so not a lot to talk about, but we'll make sure to review some important tips for you. Your next form is your Form W-2, so we do have a couple changes on the Form W-2 due to tax reform, so we're going to talk about that and understand what that means. We'll have a box-by-box review. I even review electronic filing, not electronic filing, but electronic delivery to your employees of the Form W-2 because it can be very valuable to your employees, and a lot of employers are looking to do that, so I want to make sure we go over those tips and things you need to understand there. And then we'll talk about some common mistakes with the W-2 so you can avoid those. Most of our biggest changes have been around the Form W-4 due to tax reform. We anticipate continued changes to the W-4 within the next couple of years. So we're going to talk about what that means. We're going to understand those W-4 requirements. Electronic W-4s, can you do them and what you need to know about them? Completing W-4s and invalid Form W-4s, so understanding that as well. Exempt W-4 processing, how do we handle that? And then W-4Ps and W-4Ss and other W-4 guidance. And then handling an IRS dispute. So a lot of these forms will cause an IRS dispute if they're not done properly. And if some of you are in that situation, we'll review how to handle that appropriately. And then at the end, obviously, we will have a small segment for question and answers. So as you can see, a lot to review in a very short period of time, so let's get started.